Welcome back to another episode of Sloth Garage, and today we are going to do something spectacular. In a sense, we are going to change an ignition barrel for the E30.
Why are we doing it?
What?
Well, we've got to explain why we're doing it, haven't we?
Why are we doing
So I
it?
can see myself now.
So why are we doing it?
Well, I think it's a waste of time.
So it's likely a waste of time, yeah.
What's that noise?
Battery.
Coming from over there. Sounds like gas leaking.
Ignore the gas leak.
It does, don't it?
No, it's this battery.
Rubbish. Go over there. Yeah, I think it's the battery there.
No,
gas
not
leak.
need to panic. There's not a gas leak. It was just a battery charger. So we're changing the barrel as the old one seems to be knackered. At least that's Jake's idea. It just spins. I'll give you a demo now.
I said it's a switch.
I think it's the switch.
No, I
and
said
now
it's the
Jake's
switch.
changing his mind.
No, I didn't. I need some B-roll of the switch.
The switch.
The switch.
The switch.
Yeah, you know, some nice panning around it. So it's just a switch, but still.
Can't see it.
Well, I can.
So. Making more noise today. So, basically, I say again, basically, the what you call
What
it?
the other was? What's in that coffee?
I've not had any yet. This is why I've not had my coffee. I even made you some coffee.
Pot noodle and shit.
Yeah, pot noodle coffee.
Oh, it tastes like pot noodle.
It doesn't taste like pot noodle. Basically, there's no positions to the key, so it just spins. And then when you get to the end, nothing, it don't start basically. So you have to give it an old wiggle.
That belt though.
You wiggle it in the hole, and then eventually it wakes up. Waking up is you just get up.
I can't just get out of bed. It's crazy. But you think it's the ignition valve?
It could be the ignition barrel or the ignition switch.
I think it's the switch.
So the ignition barrel was cheaper. I think it was 30 quid. Was it?
Oh, you're looking at me. I'm
No,
looking down.
at
I'm
you.
thinking, what the hell are you looking at?
You paid for it.
Hey? Yeah, it was 30 quid.
Yeah, so it's 30 quid. So we're going to change that. 5-minute job, I'm sure.
Yeah, definitely. 5 minutes.
And I'm going to go have a coffee first.
Yeah.
But basically, you need a paperclip.
What for?
Yeah, put it in this hole.
Oh, yeah, so you nick it.
No, that's easier. Yeah.
Job, he said. 5 minutes. So while Stan dismantled the interior, I decided to ask the old-fashioned version of Siri a serious question. Will everything go to plan with the Brembos? Forget about it. So that's it, the 8-ball has spoken.
Sounded like a round-in to me. Curse of the Brembo brakes continues.
We'll have to hammer it on.
So if you want to know how to ruin your Brembos,
Just get a hammer.
Ugh.
Could have warned me. I was looking at your nose at the time.
Oh, great. So the paperclip only needs to go in a little bit, but ours is bust. So it's a bit of a ball ache to get out. Whereas the new one, once it's in position 2, the paperclip drops the latch. Like so. Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah. It's even worse. So what's up with it?
The switch.
Did I not tell you it
No,
was a
but
switch?
what? So you got to click.
Right, let me go around.
So what's going to have to happen is when we need to drive this car, we've got to hotwire it.
With a paperclip.
Yes, so we can actually show you how to start the car if you're in a bind, basically.
So just to clarify, it doesn't work. The car now doesn't start with the key, is what you're saying.
So basically, the ignition switch, which is here. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
So this is the ignition switch. So the barrel goes through, and there's a pin that turns this bit.
Which bit?
This bit. So as you can see, it's a bit worn.
Well, I'm not surprised when you're poking a key inside of it.
I need a bigger screwdriver. Anyway, get your car key. And it starts fine.
I look right dodgy, not it?
As you can see, it's a little bit worn. KFC bucket hole that is. Needs to be a nice tight hole. Basically, I'm going to have to come up with a solution. In the next video that we've not done yet, we're doing an alarm, so I'll have to wire up a button for now. Or just leave two, like, you can't just leave that, then someone could steal it.
Nobody will know until they watch this video. Which nobody will watch anyway.
Obviously the steering lock still works fine, so you'd still have to break the steering lock. Anyway, so we need a ignition switch, which is the more expensive option.
How much?
65 quid
Oh wow.
for a new one. At least you can get an old one and it'd still be like that.
That's it then. Waste of money.
Well no, we needed the ignition. That
Oh,
barrel
yeah.
was proper.
You know. Waste of money. Waste of time.
So provided you can get the key to position 2, which we always could, it just doesn't fire the last, it doesn't turn the last bit. You can go to the engine bay and bridge 11 and 14. Is that 14? With a key. Yeah, that's how you start a car with a paperclip.
Well, yeah, so after all that, we need to spend more money.
Yeah.
My favourite thing.
Yeah, our favourite thing.
Look at that new starter motor. That was dead easy to fit, wasn't it? You remember how easy that was?
Yeah. 5 minutes.
Literally 5 minutes. One spanner, according to Hayes, what is it? Haynes manual. Haynes, that's it, Haynes.
And that's how I change an ignition barrel. So to summarise, paperclip, position 2, goes in about yay much, couple of centimetres, and it pops down the latch to pull out. You shouldn't have to take the steering wheel off. I done that for leverage because our barrel was actually knackered. So a nice and easy job. Unfortunately for us, it hasn't fixed the issue. So got to buy an ignition switch. Not so bad, I've kind of figured as much anyway. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If not, then don't bother. However, coming up, we are doing the alarm install for this car. So if you'd like to see how to fit an alarm, at least how I'm going to fit it, then come back soon.